Oh, gusto mo na bang bumili ng bagong likod dahil dyan sa back pain mo? Alipin ka na ba ng OT lately? Pagod ka na din ba para bukas? Let's be honest, more often than not, we feel like our jobs bring us more suffering. But labor is not just a chore. It is also a calling that gives us fulfillment, provides for our personal needs, and even the essential necessities of the entire community. When God called man and woman to be fertile and multiply and to fill the earth and subdue it, He also invites us to manage, cultivate, and develop the world we inhabit. And we respond to this invitation to the work we do. Whenever we use our hands and minds in our work, we show goodness and beauty while providing the needs of the world. This is how we become God's co-creator. At ngayong Labor Day, itampok natin ang dignidad ng paggawa. Tuklasin, gamitin at pagyubungin natin ang ating mga likas na talento at kakayahan. Gamitin lamang natin ang Artificial Intelligence o AI bilang isang kasangkapan o katulong lamang sa paglikha at hindi bilang kapalit sa halaga ng gawa ng tao. At para sa mga employers, naway ibigay ang nararapat na pasahod, tamang pahinga at binipisyo sa inyong mga manggagawa bilang pagkilala sa kanilang husay at dangal. We are also celebrating the feast of St. Joseph the Worker, the earthly father of Jesus and the spouse of Mary. In challenging moments when our backs are aching and we struggle to provide for our families and for others, remember the age-old advice, ite ad Joseph, or go to Joseph. St. Joseph the Worker, pray for us. Yun. God bless everyone.